So we have 213 base 4 multiplied by 21 base 4. So the first thing we can notice is all the values in base 4 are less than 4. Over here, the two values here are less than 4 because numbers in base 4 must be less than 4. So let's multiply them. So we have 2, 1, 3 multiplied by 21. So both are in base 4. So when multiplying, just multiply the usual way of multiplying. So we have 1 multiplied by 3 gives you 3. 1 multiplied by 1 gives you 1. 1 multiplied by 2 gives you 2. So now, this is where it gets interesting. This is where it gets interesting. 2 multiplied by 3. 2 multiplied by 3. We know that 2 multiplied by 3 will give us 6, correct? So, are we supposed to write 6 here? If you write 6 here, you'll be wrong because we are working with base 4 and there is no 6 in base 4. So that means we have to convert this 6 to base 4. So we need to do 6 divided by 4. 6 divided by 4 gives you 1, remainder 2. 1 divided by 4 gives you 0, 1. So actually 6 here, instead of 6 here, we have 12. So 6 base 4 is the same thing as 12 base 4. So this is the one we are going to use, not this one. Okay? Not 6 base 4 because we cannot write 6, a base of 6. We cannot write 6 when we have a base of 4. Right? So we can't do that. So instead of having 6 here, we are going to have 2. I will bring 1 here. Okay? So because 6 base 4 is the same thing as 12 base 4. So now we can do 2 times 1 gives us 2, plus 1 gives us 3. So we have 3 here. And then 2 times 2 gives us 4. But we cannot have 4 base 4. Because under base 4, we cannot have 4. So just as we did for 6, we have to break it down. 4 divided by 4 gives us 1, remainder 0. And 1 divided by 4 gives us 0, remainder 1. If you don't understand what we are doing here, you can just go to my YouTube channel, search for all that we have learned, the previous lessons we have learned on number basis, how to convert from base 10 to other bases. We learned about this whole process, okay? So instead of having 4 here, instead of having 4 base 4, we are going to have 10 base 4. So 2 multiplied by 2 is not 4. Under base 4 is going to give you 10. So that's what we are going to have. Then now we can add them together. We can add them together. 3 plus nothing gives us 3. 1 plus 2 gives us 3. 2 plus 3 gives us 5. But just as we have seen over and over, we cannot have 5 base 4. So who can tell us, instead of 5 base 4, what do we have to replace 5 base 4? 1 remainder 1. Somebody say 1 remainder 1. Okay, let's confirm. So we have 5. 5 divided by 4 gives us 1, remainder 1. 1 divided by 4 gives us 0, remainder 1. So that means 5 base 4 is equal to 11 base 4. 11 base 4. Okay, so instead of having 5, we have 11, so we're going to write 1 and bring 1 here. So 1 plus 0 gives us 1, and then nothing plus 1 gives us 1. That means our answer is 11133 base 4. That gives us our answer. That gives us the answer.